Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kalinis yung internal organ nito. Yun, oh. Grabe. Uy. Napakalinis ng internal organ naman. Walang oil sludge. Wow.